Hi folks, investing in real estate may seem daunting, but it doesn't have to be. Are you thinking about investing in real estate, but not sure where to start? Well, you have come to the right place. As a real estate professional, I have seen it all, and I'm here to share with you some important things you should know before investing in real estate. First, it's important to understand the market you are investing in. Research the local real estate market, including current trend and future projections, to ensure you're making a smart investment. Next, it's crucial to have a solid plan in place. Determine your investment goals, whether it's long-term, wealth building, or generating passive income, and create a strategy to achieve them. Finally, it's always a good idea to seek the advice of a professional, whether it's a real estate agent, accountant, or a financial advisor. So if you are thinking about investing in real estate and want to make sure you are doing it right, just comment your question down below, or just simply pick up the phone and give me a call. I'm available at any time to answer your questions. Have a great day.